In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly log in and trade with TradingView. TradingView is a powerful tool for traders of all levels, providing a comprehensive platform for market analysis and trading execution. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring you have the know-how to start trading efficiently. First, head over to tradingview.com. Once there, simply log into your account. If you haven't used TradingView before, you'll need to sign up, which is quite intuitive. Just follow the prompts to create your account. Once logged in, you're ready to explore the extensive features TradingView has to offer. Next, let's open a chart. Use the search bar to find the asset you'd like to trade. You can choose from a variety of instruments such as stocks, forex, futures, or even cryptocurrencies. Once you've found your asset, click on it to bring up its chart. This visual representation of price movement is crucial for analyzing market trends and making informed trading decisions. Down at the bottom of the chart area, you'll see a tab labeled Trading Panel. Click on it to reveal a list of supported brokers. This is where you connect your trading account to TradingView. Take a moment to browse through the list and find your broker. It's important to ensure that your broker supports TradingView integration. Some popular options include Interactive Brokers, Tradovate, and Oanda. Once you've identified your broker on the list, it's time to connect your broker account. Click on the broker's logo and a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter your login credentials. Make sure to have those details handy. For added security, you might be asked to complete two-factor authentication, which is a common practice to ensure the safety of your trading account. Follow the instructions for this step. And lastly, you'll need to authorize TradingView to access your account, allowing the platform to manage trades on your behalf. With your broker account now connected, you can start placing trades directly from TradingView. Use the trading panel to enter buy or sell orders. You'll see options for various order types such as market, limit, or stop. Each order type has its own purpose, and selecting the appropriate one is key to executing your trading strategy. Don't forget to enter the quantity and other specifics of your order before submitting. Once you've executed a trade, managing your positions is the next step. Within the trading panel, you can easily monitor your open positions and any orders you've placed. TradingView offers the flexibility to modify or close trades directly from the platform, saving you the hassle of switching between different applications. And that's it. You've now learned how to efficiently log in, connect your broker, and trade using TradingView. Keep practicing and exploring the platform's features. It will enhance your trading experience and help you achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching and happy trading.